Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 10th August 2020. Let us listen and imbibe the elevated features of Prakashmani Dadi Ji. Dadi did whatever Bap Dada said. Bap Dada says, and children should be the same. As much love and expectations are there in the children of Bap Dada. According to that, even more attention may be slightly more. In every Murli, Bap Dada indicates to children to practice on code of conduct. Therefore, Dadi did always followed it first. Sweet children, to forget your original religion is the biggest mistake of all. You now have to become free from making mistakes. Remember your home and your kingdom. Question: what stage of your children indicates that time is coming to an end? Answer: when your children remain constantly intoxicated on the pilgrimage of remembrance and when the wandering of your intellect come to an end. When you have the power of remembrance in your words and you stay in infinite happiness, when the scene of your golden aged world repeatedly appears in front of you, you can understand that time is close destruction will not take long, therefore increase your chart of remembrance. Song: having found you, we have found the whole world, the earth and sky all belongs to us. Essence for Dharana. First point: always maintain the intoxicating that you will complete this study and change from ordinary humans into deities, the master of the world. There will be everything in your kingdom: purity, peace, and happiness. No one can snatch that away from you. In order to go across from this side to that side, become a good swimmer on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Don't allow Maya to choke you. Check yourself and write chart of remember is my first understanding it correctly. Blessing: may you become multi-million times fortunate and experience right to all attainments during this elevated time. The fortunate children who take birth at this elevated time experience belonging as soon as that take birth with the touching of the previous cycle. They have a right to all the property as soon as they take birth. Just as a whole tree is merged in a seed, in the same way, souls who come at the number one time experience the treasures of all forms of attainments as soon as they come. They would never say that they experience happiness but not peace, or that they experience peace but not power. They are filled with all experiences. Slogan: in order to give the experience of coolness under the shade of your happiness, become clean and humble. Om Shanti.